what I have discovered works best with this is to try to find a pattern for the first letter separately from trying to find a pattern for the second letter.
Okay.
Notice that on the first letter on these, we've got B, 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 C, C, C,
Okay.
D. So it makes sense to think the next two are going to be D, D, and
Right.
then there's going to be three E's, right?
Right.
So I'm thinking probably a D. Let's see, that's 1, 2 D's, and then they want 5 more altogether. So I think those next 3 will start with E.
Okay.
Now, the second letter. This is C, D, E, D, E, F. Okay, these are going sequentially.
Okay.
The first one, let me change colors. The C is the letter after B,
Right.
right? Because it goes B, E, and then this is a D and an E. Let's see if that works on the second one. The second group of 3, I'm thinking this is a group of 3, and then this is a group of 3.
Mm-hmm.
So where it starts with the C's, the first letter is D, E, F. Think we're on to something. The DE is the first of the next 3, and it goes DE. So I think they're going to be F, G. And then E is followed by F. So F, G, H.
H. Okay.
And that's going to be the next 5 letters and the next
Okay.
5 terms. Let back up again. Every one of these homework problems, they all have over here by the question help.
Yes, I see it.
The Ask My Instructor will send me an email with a link to the problem you're looking at. So you don't have to tell me what problem you're looking at. It'll send me the picture.
Okay, okay, okay.
View an example will walk
I
you.
use that.
Okay, yeah, it'll walk you through stuff. The Help Me Solve This will go through and actually force you to answer questions. And if you're like me and you have the least little tendency to just want to skim stuff and not read it word for word, which doesn't work very well with math, doing the Help Me Solve This will force you to sit there. You're like, oh, I can't just hit continue. I have to answer a question before I can do. Well, let me read this. That's my reaction, because when you present me with a whole page of stuff, I want to glance at it and go on.
I know.
I think that's a tendency with most people. Now, the only problem you got to watch for is that when you click on Help Me Solve This, it'll actually carry you through the whole thing step by step and hopefully get you to the right answer. But then it changes the original problem you were working on, so that once you get the answer, you can't just go type it in. You still have to work the problem yourself.